Hello world, this is Random Fix, and today I got this beautiful 2014 BMW 435i to showcase to you. And this thing is amazing. It's black with a tan interior, really clean. It's got the nice dual exhaust in the back, spacious trunk with the original floor mats, LED lights for the license plate. Really nice tires on here, plenty of life left in them. Give you a quick view of the passenger side. Really clean. The leather is meticulously cared for. No major rips or tears or any kind of staining. Let me show you the inside now. You can easily access the back of the vehicle by using the button here, and it gives your rear occupants plenty of room to enter. And it only has 42,914 miles. And the backup camera is right there. And it also has active radar, which just lets us know that we're getting closer to the Audi right there. One-touch moonroof and close. Emergency SOS. Beautiful LED lights. Home link, so you can program up to 3 devices instead of carrying 3 different clickers. All the quality you would expect from a BMW. And you can hear that motor purr. Twin turbo. Even when you close the door, the seatbelt is actually handed to you, literally. That is pretty cool. Check out the new hood mechanism on this BMW. You pull it twice, and you no longer have to fish for underneath for a hood latch. That's really cool. I like that feature a lot. Underneath we have that beautiful twin turbo BMW power plant. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave your comments and your questions below. And we do offer great financing for first-time buyers, good credit, bad credit. We could definitely help. And we have a great relationship with a lot of great lenders in the area, as well as credit unions. So we could definitely get you approved. And I'll leave any relevant information in the box below. And thank you for watching.